Show me how you're flossing your teeth. Back up. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, why?
Put that pen away, Mommy.
Because it's dirty.
They're dirty?
Yeah.
How big of a piece of floss do you need?
What?
Oh. Okay. Yeah.
What'd she say?
Oh yeah. You need to get.
Does that taste good? Feel like candy?
Send all the.
They're not candy.
What is it?
But in my teeth.
Flossing.
They're not candy.
Alright. We'll talk at you later.
How big of a piece do you need, dude?
All of it.
I see that. That's a lot of floss, dude.
Yep.
Alright, say bye to the camera.
Bye.
You didn't say bye, camera.